After spending hours reading owner forums, talking to mechanics, and reviewing shop reports, I'm bringing you the most common experiences people have had with the 2016-2021 Honda Clarity, and more importantly, what those issues mean and what you can do if you encounter one. When someone brings a Clarity to the shop saying it won't start even though the battery is good, the problem often comes from the 12-volt battery that is simply drained or worn out. Unlike traditional cars, the Clarity doesn't use an alternator to recharge this battery while driving. Instead, it charges from the high-voltage battery when the system is in ready mode. That's why owners report situations like, "I left the Clarity unused for several days, and when I came back, nothing worked, not even the lights or power locks," a clear sign the 12-volt battery is dead. These batteries don't just drain over time, they often last less than you'd expect, sometimes only 2 to 3 years. That can lead to strange dashboard lights or even being stuck, unable to start the car. A mechanic here would tell you, if your Clarity has been sitting for days or weeks, check the 12-volt battery first. It's one of the most likely causes of strange electrical issues. Speaking of electrical issues, it's also common to see owners reporting errors like plug-in charging system problem or power system problem when trying to charge the car. This can sound alarming, but in many cases it isn't a physical failure with the charging station or the main battery. Instead, it's often a temporary software or communication glitch between modules, something many users solve with resets or software updates at the dealership. Honda has even released updates for these issues, so before panicking, it's a good idea to make sure the system is up to date. While we're talking about on-screen issues, several owners have mentioned that the central display or console sometimes glitches, freezes, or stops responding, which is especially frustrating in such a high-tech car. In many cases, turning the system off and on again, or even doing a console reboot helps, though in some cases the issue returns. A technician would usually suggest this step before replacing parts because it's often more of a software issue than a physical hardware problem. A less technical but very common complaint on forums is noises or rattles inside the cabin, especially when driving in electric mode where the car is super quiet. Suddenly, a click or knock from the dash sounds huge. This usually doesn't indicate a serious engine or transmission issue, but it does mean that many plastic parts and interior panels can vibrate over time, and some owners end up adding foam or seals to reduce the sound. Finally, another frequent topic is the gradual loss of electric range over time. While the Clarity comes with an estimated range, several users have noticed that after years of use, the distance they can drive in electric mode decreases. This reflects the natural degradation of the high-voltage battery. It's not a defect, just part of battery aging. A mechanic would suggest monitoring actual battery capacity with diagnostic tools, and if the range drops significantly, it's worth taking it to the dealership to check for calibration or battery management issues.